Good morning, boys. As we are studying chapter 8, the name of the chapter was Let's Type Word 2013. So we'll start now, continuing that one. We'll start doing page number 88. So let me just zoom it for you. What is that? Page number 88. So that is creating a new document. So how we have to create a new document? We have to open a file. That's step one. Now click on the new options from the backstage, then double click on the blank document, so we can create a new documents, and we can type anything. You can see at the bottom there is adding a text to the documents. So start typing to the text using a keyboard. So the character will start appearing at the cursor position, which changes as and when a new character is entered. So once you open a new documents, we can type anything. The character will start appearing at the cursor position, and you can keep on typing and it will keep on changing for you. Right. The cursor shifts automatically. So this is the cursor will shift automatically. As you will type a document, the cursor will keep on moving to the next line. When it reaches at the end of the line, the feature is known as word wrap. So when it reaches the end of the line, the feature is known as word wrap. You can always start a new paragraph by pressing the enter key. So by pressing the enter key, you can just go to the next line. It's saying here, you can see, I will zoom it for you. So by pressing a next line, you can go to the next line and you can again type a documents. Now I will just show you a small exercise how to do that. Now there is a one, suppose now first of all I am opening this new documents. You will go to file, just click on the file, go to the new, right, and you will place a blank document, right. Now this is a blank document. I will just increase the font size. Okay, now it will say, I will keep on typing. Okay, this is the test documents, right. We are learning class 3 computer. So now when I press enter, it will go to the next line. I have told you before also, you can just change the style, right. I can change the style, or I can increase the font, and I can change the style, right. Now we'll start doing again. Now once we have done this, go to the next line. It says inserting a new text. So let me read it for you. So what is step 1? Click on the document or use arrow key to take the cursor where new text is to be entered. So once the new text has to be entered, you can use a arrow key which is at the bottom at the right side. You can just use that arrow key, the cursor will move there. Now start typing the new text. Now once you use the arrow key, you can just start typing a new text, whatever you want to type. The new text will start appearing at cursor position. So that's very important. The cursor position is where it will just type from there only, shifting the exciting text towards its right side. Okay. Now this also we have just seen. Now selecting text. How you have to select a test. Selecting test is a process of picking test to make further changes. Now let me show you this thing. Already have done for the, see what I am doing. I just selecting my test, right, for the further changes. Now I want to change the, suppose, to this Arial black. See, it's a dark black, so I can change it anybody. So what is step 1? Take the cursor to the beginning of the test, right, press and hold the shift key and press the arrow key. So I have to just, or I can do with the help of mouse also. This is, I can just press it. That's the same step he's telling. Now once you have done, leave the both keys when the test is selected. The selected text appear highlighted in the gray and the cursor disappears. So the cursor, you see now, the cursor is not there. Okay, so one is done, the cursor is not there, you can press it. So what we have learned, we have just created a new document, right, with the help of file tab. Then we have added the text to the documents. We can add any text to a document, we can change the color, we can change the style, insert a new text, we can just insert a new text also. If I press, I can just enter anything, insert a new text, and I can select a text. Then this text has been selected for me, so I can just right click it and I can do anything regarding this. So I have done this. Now I have select this and I have just entered it. I can copy it and I can again paste it. Right. That's a page number 889 we have done in this class. I will give you some homework. You have to finish that homework in your notebook. Okay. Now take care. Bye bye.